Today is Wednesday, August 28th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado Hydroboost unit and combination master cylinder. This is for my friend Michael Kane in Ashland, Mass. And this includes all of the ancillary components that comprise the fluid circuit, which is a hydraulic-based actuation of the master cylinder from the hydraulic assist brake booster. So this is the first year where General Motors Cadillac introduced the Hydroboost unit, replacing the 1975 vacuum-based booster for the master cylinder. So first year for the 4 disc brakes in the 1976 Eldorado, and first year for this monolithic Hydrobooster unit with the very large accumulator. So this particular unit is 1 year only in its design. It's very, very robust, totally unlike the successor units starting in 77 and thereafter, where it's a much scaled down unit because, of course, the engines were scaled down to a 425 from the original 8.2 liter 500 cubic inch engines. So 1976, what we have is a 1 year only design for the Hydroboost, and this is the original 1976 Bendix unit, okay? And that includes the corresponding interface right there between the pin of the booster and the recess of the master cylinder. So they're a match set. It also includes the period correct 1976 power steering pump, which facilitates the pressure into the Hydroboost, and that, yes, is part of the Hydroboost fluid circuit, meaning the originating of the fluid delivery from the power steering pump to the Hydroboost, going in, and then out of the Hydroboost, going down to the gearbox, and then recirculating and completing the circuit. And here we have the original hoses, both hoses that facilitate the power steering pump out, and it's the power steering pump to the booster. I've identified the pressure inline to the Hydrobooster, as well as the power steering out line from the pump. And then in concert with that, we have the booster to the steering gear box down below, and the Hydroboost high pressure outline to the steering box, and the steering gear box in for the delivery of the fluid. Okay, so that completes the fluid circuit with the exclusion of the steering box for my friend Michael. And this will be going out as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. Included, and of course but not part of the Hydroboost configuration, is the period correct A6 Frigidaire compressor specific for 1976. Okay, absolutely beautiful. And that'll be going be shipping out separately to Michael as part of his order. This is George in Florida. I have 75,000 original vintage parts for the Eldorado specific from 1967 through 1978, 375,000 parts overall from 1959 through 1978. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard to source units such as the brake boosters, both vacuum and hydraulic, as well as the ancillary equipment that comprises that circuit, all of the air conditioning components, including the original Frigidaire A6 compressors, the AC programmers for 1976, as well as the in-dash controllers, and all other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Wednesday, August 28th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.